right, let's find the height of a cylinder. We're still going to use the volume formula because I am given the volume of this cylinder as being 314 inches cubed. And your volume formula is like all the other formulas for volume, is the base area times the height. And the base, the capital B, stands for the area of the base. Well, this base, they're parallel to each other, is going to be a circle. So its formula is pi r squared. So this base right here is pi r squared. If it was like a prism or something, it'd have a different formula because they have a different base. All right, so we know the volume is 314. We're going to replace V with that. And the base is going to be pi r squared. Well, that's pi. The radius here, we are not given that. We are told the diameter is 10. So if the diameter is 10, that means the radius is half of 10. So that would be 5. So that's 5 squared. Okay, so 5 squared is 25 pi. And that's going to be the area or the B. So I will put 25 pi right here. And then the height is what I'm looking for. Now this height, you might not think it's a height. You might think this is the height, but no, this thing has been, it was sitting like this. We turned it up like this. So the height is actually this direction. To solve for the height, all I have to do is get rid of 25 pi. And since it's being multiplied by the height, the opposite will be to divide by 25 pi. Whatever I do to the right side of the equation, I have to do to the left side of the equation. So the height is now alone. They want us to round this off to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to take 314 and I want to divide it by, now with this calculator here, it's important that I use the parentheses, 25 pi. Because if I don't, this calculator doesn't know order of operations and I'm going to get the wrong number. So this is approximately 4 rounded off to the nearest whole number. Let me show you what happens if I don't use the parentheses on this calculator. 314 divided by 25 pi, I get 39.4, and that's wrong. Okay, so you have to use, it's always safe to use the parentheses.